my G sound box. Little G had a box. I will find things that begin with my G sounds, he said. I will put them into my sound box. Little G opened the gate and went into the garden. Little G found goats in the garden. Did she put the goats into her box? She did. Then Little G found grass. Lots and lots of green grass. She put the green grass into the box with the goats, but the goats ate it all up. Little G found grapes. Lots and lots of grapes. She put the grapes into the box, but the goats ate up all the grapes too. What could Little G do? She found a gorilla in the garden. She put the gorilla into the box with the goats. Did the goats eat the gorilla? No. The goats grinned, and so the gorilla grinned. Little G found a guitar. She played the guitar. The gorilla danced. Then the goats danced with the gorilla. Everyone giggled. Little G found some glasses. She put glasses on the goats. Then she found goggles. She put goggles on the gorilla. Just then, a goose and gander walked by. What funny goats! What a funny gorilla, said the goose. The gander. Little G caught the goose and the gander. You belong in my sound box, she said. Wait, and the gander. Gander? What? What do you mean, gander?
Gander. It's a female goose.
Huh?
It's a female goose.
The goose got into the box all by herself. I will give you a gift, she said. Then the goose laid an egg made of gold. All of it was gold. What a great gift, said Little G. Little G looked around her garden. And what a great group of G's, she said. Can you read these words with Little G? And this sound box, the way Little G has her own special hard sound. Little G has another sound to it. It is soft like the sound of the letter G. Can you read these words? Listen for the soft sound.